This rarely available renovated 3-bedroom townhome in Edgewater Isle offers incredible water views, high ceilings, tons of natural light, inside laundry, and 2 parking spaces.
Convenience, location, lifestyle. These are the reasons why you should buy this home. Back patio and swimming pool offer ultimate California living. Outdoor activities are available at the nearby hiking and biking trails and golf course. Enjoy paddle boating and kayaking literally in your backyard. Incredible location offers close proximity to various dining and shopping options and commuters' routes connecting all of Silicon Valley. What's not to love? Do you want to live in a neighborhood that offers California living at its finest? Your search for your perfect house is over.
Come see this great opportunity and enjoy the beauty of Edgewater Isle. Check out all the details on our property website.